Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to deposit cash into your Capital One account at a CVS store in 2025. Whether you're a busy professional or just someone who prefers handling cash, this method is a game changer for avoiding long bank lines. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're at a CVS location that partners with Capital One for deposits. By 2025, most CVS stores will have dedicated kiosks, so use the CVS app or website to find one near you. It's quick and easy. Just enter your zip code and look for the cash deposit option. Once you're there, gather your cash and have your Capital One account details ready, like your account number or debit card. Step 1. Approach the deposit kiosk, usually near the front of the store. Insert your Capital One debit card or enter your account information as prompted on the screen. Don't worry, it's secure and straightforward. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to select the deposit option. You'll be asked to insert your cash bills one at a time into the machine. Make sure your bills are clean and not crumpled to avoid any issues. The kiosk might reject damaged ones. After that, review the total amount on the display and confirm your deposit. The machine will then process it and credit your account, usually within minutes. One important tip: there might be a small fee for this service in 2025, so check the Capital One app for the latest rates to avoid surprises. Also, always grab your receipt for your records, it's your proof of transaction. And that's it, you've successfully deposited cash into your Capital One account from CVS. This method is not only convenient but also saves you time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.